This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting the biggest power draws, the display and radios. Lower brightness to about 30% and turn off auto brightness. You trade a bit of vibrancy for hours more play. Next, enable airplane mode when you do not need online features, and disable Bluetooth if you're using the dock or wired controllers. Wireless radios constantly scan and drain battery. Finally, close any running games and use sleep mode to preserve state while consuming much less power. Once the basics are set, dive into system options to squeeze more life from each charge. Change auto sleep to 5 minutes or less in handheld mode so the system sleeps quickly when idle. This prevents long, unnoticed drains. Turn off HD rumble and lower vibration intensity. Those motors use a surprising amount of current. Make sure background downloads and automatic updates are disabled so your switch doesn't wake to download patches, which can sap battery life between sessions. To finish, optimize hardware choices and know what to do if things go wrong. Use the official low-power charger or a certified USB-C PD charger that matches the switch's recommended specs. Extreme chargers can heat the battery and reduce efficiency. For long handheld sessions, remove accessories like grips with LEDs and consider a wired controller to avoid extra Bluetooth draw. If you still see rapid drain, make sure your system firmware is current. If problems persist, check battery health diagnostics or perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.